the spark plug out, but we'll see. Yeah, those things are dirty. Yeah, it's about easier to get all 4 of them from this side, it seems like.
That's insane. But I think I can get this one from right here. On the magnet. Only the magnet. Let me try this side. I'll just stick it out far enough. You think I can get it?
No, you're gonna break it. There's nothing for you to do with the magnet, oh my goodness.
Don't use the magnet.
But you can't use it yet. It's not gonna
Why?
Stop using the magnet.
One more time. Easy. That looks fine to me.
This is kind of difficult.
What'd you say?
I want this to be not here.
And I put this in?
Where the heck are you going?
I don't know. I just work here.